Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on app guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can enable or disable developer mode on your Discord mobile application. So you have a Discord account, you have joined a lot of servers using the Discord account. You have a server for gaming, you have the server of a group of friends that you have a server for different other things, and now you want to enable the developer option but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to enable or disable the developer option in a Discord mobile application. It's a very simple process, you'll do it in no time. So developer mode enables certain essential informations in the Discord client, such as channel and message IDs for your server. If you're developing a bot to monitor and post in a certain channel, for instance, you'll need this information to point the bot in the right direction. So that might be one reason why you want to enable the developer mode in a Discord mobile application. To do that, the first thing you want to do is open a Discord mobile application. Once you open a Discord mobile application, you'll land on an interface like this. From here, in order to enable the developer mode in a Discord mobile application, what you want to do is go into user settings. To go into your user settings, what you want to do is tap on the account icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you go into your user settings, you land on an interface like this. From here, what you want to do is scroll down. From the app settings section, what you want to do is go into the behavior option. So tap on the behavior option. In the behavior option, under the chat behavior section, you'll see an option labeled as developer mode. So to enable the developer mode, you'll need to simply enable this toggle right beside the developer mode option. Once you do that, you'll successfully enable the developer mode in a Discord mobile application. Now, it's a pretty same process in order to disable the developer mode as well. Go into your user settings, scroll down to app settings, come inside behavior and disable the toggle besides the developer mode option. Once you do that, you'll successfully enable or disable the developer mode in a Discord mobile application. So that was the simple process in order to enable or disable the developer mode in a Discord mobile application. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.